Hello everyone. So welcome back to Group Funnel Tutorials. My name is Manu, and in this particular tutorial, I'm going to talk about a self-billing portal that how you can allow access to your users or your clients or your customers that they can able to do the self-billing. Okay. So why I am creating this particular video because I got a, um post on a common group for group funnels that a person like Ravindra Kumar is asking for uh, something similar to the some kind of page where customer can able to log in into it and they can able to manage their billing invoice for his purchase. Okay, so in that particular regard I'm creating this particular video. So uh, some of these particular features are available already in the group, but it is not in the way that you can log in into the website. Okay, there is a separate link which you need to send to your customers whenever they purchase your product or your services from your website, and using that particular link they can able to go ahead and manage their billing. So how it is possible? For that you need to first of all get into the group cell area. Inside the group cell you will be seeing a setting option at the bottom left hand side. When you click on the settings option, you will go to the vendor setting where you will be getting payment gateways, domain, Facebook conversion pixel, and the self billing option. The self billing option is the fourth one. When you click on it, this is actually the link which you have to share with your um, audience, your clients, your customers, and you see there are four options which we can allow our user to manage by themselves, which is allow invoice download, so they can able to download the invoice. The another one is allow credit card update. They can if it is a subscription based or EMI installment based product, so they can able to update their credit card. Allow refund transaction, so if they want to cancel the transaction and want the refund, they can able to do that, or allow cancel the subscription. So I am not allowing these two options because I don't want them to update. In some cases, you can do this one so that they can able to update their credit card or debit card if they do not have points or the card got cancelled. In that case, you can allow them to update their credit card or debit card, whatever they will be having. Okay, and allow cancel subscription. So I'm just turning it on for the test purpose. Now, what you have to do, you just have to copy this URL and you have to create an email. Let me show you that what type of email you have to create. So this is just a normal email I have written. I just wrote it down in here just to give you an example. So hey there, you can use their first name. Then thank you for your purchase. It's been a pleasure to have you on board. You can view your invoice and other billing related details by going to this particular link, and you are adding the link in here. For any concern or query, you can get back to us at your custom email address, whatever email address you want to add in here, you can do that, and you can link it to mail to you as well. So this is the actual link. Now what will happen when somebody will going to click on this particular link? So when somebody will click on this particular link, this page will appear in front of them. So it will be asking to enter your email to receive your login info. Now make sure that your client, whoever is using this facility, they have to use the same email address which they use to purchase your services. Okay, if they will be using the different email address, they won't be able to see any such details in their account. So the email address should be the same which they have used to purchase your subscription, and then they will be clicking on send email. So once they will click on send email, they will be going to receive an email from the group cell, which is customers portal access. And when you click on it, the email will look like this: hey, we receive a request to access the customer billing portal. Please click here to access the billing portal. If you did not request it, please ignore. So in this particular case, you don't have to create any password. You just have to click on this link, and this link will. Okay, so I think uh, the URL is not secure. So I'm clicking on continue to site. It might everyone will not going to face this problem. And now I'm getting into the billing.groupsell.com and logging you in. And now you can see that these are all the paid or canceled subscription which we have on this particular email address. Okay, so I have so many my clients. I have been keep testing the things. So you see that cancel, paid, paid, paid. There are a couple of things. So now use it that for the test purpose, I use it for the $0. So let's say that this one, the first one, when I click on this, all right, now I can see this particular details, the transaction detail, what was the product, what was the transaction ID, it was a trial, then recurring billing is not applicable, then price point, okay, date and time when I did that. So date and time is then gateway, on which gateway it went through, and the refund period is 0. As well as now after that, now here I have the option to download the invoice, because it is not coming from my account, it is coming from my client's account, just to test the thing. So he has only allowed the download invoice option. Now let's say that I'm going to inside the customer area. So the customer name, my name, and everything is showing to me, and affiliate. So affiliate, this is the affiliate user ID and the password. So all the information you will be getting in here. So the more option you will be allowing in here, you will be getting all the options in this particular place. So let me see, let me check if I have any of my product in here. I think no, I don't have my products in here in the list. Okay, so you can try it by yourself as well. Just go ahead and try to purchase one of the product and see that if it is possible in there. Okay, and most importantly, like in order to send this particular email, in order to send this email, you just have to go to the group mail and get into the sequence. Create a sequence or an email address. Trigger it when somebody going to purchase the product, and inside the trigger, just mention that email address. It will get delivered to them immediately. So this is how like you can allow your user to manage their self-billing portal, and it is very easy to do. So I hope that this might answer your question, Ravindra. Do let us know. And if you need any particular help, I'm just message away. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do subscribe to the channel, and let others know to learn more from this video. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.